Greetings, everybody. How you doing? This is a brief overview regarding Teambuildr. So when you log into Teambuildr and you go to your Teambuildr app, it'll look like this. And when you go ahead and click on login, and login will take you to a login screen, which is pretty straightforward. Now, in the login, we talked about before, you have your username and password. Username is Harper College, your Harper College email address, excuse me, and then it is Harper #1200. I've already opened two screens here, one of which is the coaching module and one of which is the training module. So this is my training module. Like, I have no workout scheduled for today on Sunday, October 17th. And if I click on this, one of the things that you can see is over the course of the month, you have a couple different dots. So for example, maybe I'm a poor example, but like on the 29th, you have a green dot that tells you I completed everything in that workout. So all of the exercises that were prescribed, I completed. You can see the green check marks over there to the left. Now, when you look at, I'll say like one of the yellow ones here, yellowish orange, kind of burnt yellow, you can see I completed some of them. Barbell bent over rows, etc. I was able to get in and get some work, and that was it for the day. So this is a tool that allows you, as you go through the course, maybe you miss a workout on a Tuesday or a Thursday, you can go back and seek out the ones that are red or the ones that are kind of that burnt yellow and be able to backfill that information so you get full credit for the course. So here I am, it's the 17th, and I have no workout scheduled. I can either click on that and bring up the month view, or I can click the right arrow and it brings up my workout. So now I know tomorrow, and I'll get a push email on this, but in my workout, I'm looking at 10 minutes of cardio where it's 1 minute hard, 2 minute recovery, 1 minute hard, 2 minute recovery, and then I'm going into a leg workout. So for example, in my leg workout, I show 4 sets of 8, but if we open this up, you can see, and this on your phone, it'll look different. It'll just show this tile, but I have 4 sets of 8 for my workout, and it's prescribing 350, 365, 365, 350. As I mentioned in one of my previous presentations, this will automatically populate as you go through and fill in more data. And as you fill in the data, that allows the algorithm to be able to actually calculate a 1 rep max and then base this off of percentages that I prescribe. So you can see I've programmed in 70%, 73, 73, 70% for my workout. And that's where it calculates the 350, 365 from. The other part of this is when I do my workout, in case I ever blank out on what I want to do or this is not full, as you're typing in your information, both the weight and the reps, there's a green icon up here, and that green icon will tell me what I've done over my last couple workouts. So I know on September 2nd I did this much. I know on July 15th I did this much, etc. And that's where it bases this data off of. So over time it progressively updates and re-updates the data that's in there. So when you type this information, we'll just do this for the heck of it. If I go with this 1 minute hard, 2 minute recovery, I go ahead and click this. This will be one icon you'll see. You click it, save it, and then if we get out of there, you'll see now it's completed. So make sure you go through and you type in that information. Say it's in my standing leg press here, and I go, okay, I did this, and I go save. I know when I come back out, whoop, I didn't save it. Let's go. I'll do 365, and we'll go with the 350 at the end, just like it suggests. We'll save that. That'll save. And then as you go through the rest of your workout, you'll do the same thing. You'll come back out, and then it'll click and show when you're done. You click out and you'll show that you've completed your standing leg press. That tells me on the other end, I'm going to go into the coaching module. When I go into the coaching module over the last couple of days, there were 49 assigned workouts. I completed 2 of them because I'm a big loser. I didn't get my workouts this past week. And it gives me a rundown of what I did. I completed the shoulder press. I completed the leg press over the last couple of days. And then it'll update that. So it has yet to update the one from today. But you'll see over time that will update and backfill as you go ahead and fill in your information. Now, here's where this becomes important for a course. When you come in, you have ways to earn points. And let's just say you can't make it in on a Tuesday and you can't get your workout on a Tuesday or Thursday. Perhaps you come in on a Friday, or perhaps you come in on a Monday morning on an alternate week and you finish this workout and you now are at 100%, that tells me you completed the workout. And when I look back, and when you look back, you can see the difference in your workouts when you go here. So this is where you need to get kind of savvy and sharp about looking back and see, okay, now Wednesday I completed this for all of my points, but here I got no points. Here I have some points. And now it becomes a percentage game on how many points did you get. So I'm looking for green dots all the way down Tuesday, Thursday for all of you. So make sure you go back and complete your workouts. Beyond that, when you get into your actual workouts themselves, you do have other odds and ends in here, like you can go into maxes and PR. And in maxes and PR, over time, it'll fill in when you've had your best workout. So your barbell bench press, 200 pounds, that was on the 19th or 2019. Bent over rows, close grip bench press, and it'll fill in that information. It gives you a perspective on strength over time. So if we look at, say, I don't know, close grip bench press and open that up, we can see a graphical interpretation of how we've done with our workouts over time. And as I mentioned, that Epley formula calculates out what a 1 rep max would be, whether it's 3 sets of 10, 4 sets of 8, or say you do an absolute set of 1. It'll calculate out what that 1 rep max is over time and then give you your change over time, and that's where it gives you this graphical interpretation. So it's kind of cool, guys. It really allows you the ability to chart and document a few things. I urge you to make it a point to become pretty well familiar with this app, because you'll have points in this class that are based off of this, and also your workouts are going to be delivered. And really, it's a great way for you to kind of frame up your workouts to get an idea of what you're doing and be able to track your progress over the next 8 weeks. All right, guys, have a great one. Catch you later. Bye.